The first thing I heard that I have a new German publisher was really amazing. My agent told me that they have kindergartens and schools across Germany and the world, and I was like, wow, what a combination. And it feels so amazing to walk in the school and see in practice all of these things that I think about on a very abstract level, on a theoretical level, that one day there will be a classroom that will be reading the book and doing the activities and exercises. I think the most important thing a teacher can do is to create strong memories. So we talked about artificial intelligence, which is the theme for the 4th Ruby book that just came out in German. And we started by talking about robots and what kind of robots the children would want to build if they could build any kind of robot, and what kind of problems these robots could solve in their world. But then we also talked about how do robots actually learn things, and that's how we ended up discussing machine learning, which is teaching computers to learn by giving examples. Discussed also a little bit about how humans and computers are different, what are our different strengths and weaknesses, and how we can work better together. The school play the students did based on my second book on Ruby is probably like one of the most beautiful examples of what an author or an artist can do to kind of spark the imagination of someone else to build new things on top of it, whether it's in the realm of electrical engineering. I heard some of the kids were working with LED lights, whether it's stagecraft, marketing, everything that goes into making a play. And that is the biggest thank you an author can really get. One wish I have for the kids at the Klax School is that keep being as optimistic and pragmatic about the technology as you are. Because you see, we have this idea that technology creates itself, but in reality it's us humans, we people, who create technology. The culture where you grow up and the time and the era and the things you're curious about are actually the things that make you special and make you build the future of technology. That's my wish for the Klax kids, to have diverse interests in life, but also keep seeing technology as a tool for problem solving and changing the world.